How to fix CapCut template not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut template not showing problem. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1. That is to update CapCut to the latest version. So the most common reason that the template option doesn't appear is because that you are using an older version of CapCut. So here to fix that, simply open the Google Play Store, and now here you simply have to search for the CapCut app. And now here on the search result, if you find any update available for the CapCut, simply tap on update to update it to the latest version. And once updated, you can simply open the CapCut again and check if the template tab appears. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to change your country by using VPN. So here, if templates still doesn't appear, then you can simply download a free VPN from Play Store. Like there are certain VPNs that are completely free to use, like Torvo VPN or Super VPN. You can use it and connect it to the other countries, and after that you can simply open CapCut app again to see if there is template available or not after using that method. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear CapCut data and cache. So sometimes stored data blocks the template feature from loading. So to fix that, simply long press on the CapCut app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu simply tap on app info. And after that, you'll be prompted to the CapCut app settings page. Now here in this section, you simply have to tap on the clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on clear cache, and after that you can simply clear all data if you like, and after that you can simply open the CapCut and check again. And here with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to make sure that you are logged in. So templates will not show if you are not signed in. So here you can simply open CapCut and tap on profile icon and check if you're logged in or not. If you're not logged in with your account, then you can simply log in using Facebook, Google and TikTok. And after logging in, you can simply go back and reload the home page to check if the template appears on the CapCut again. And that's it. That's how you can fix CapCut template not showing problem. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.